What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Leo, and today we are gonna be unboxing some new and old monster trucks. Sorry, sorry, but at the same time not sorry for the glare, for the light. It's a little late. It's like 7:30, so it's dark already. So yeah, hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. So yeah, let's get into the video. Alright. Oh wait, I forgot to add another one. This one I already had. Oops. I already had this truck. I have this truck, but I want to collect all the Marvel ones, but I want to open them, but at the same time I want to close them. If you saw my latest video of unboxing my trucks, not the Monster Jam Showdown, the unboxing trucks, I opened this one. So yeah, if you want to see that video of that and the Spider-Man, but the Mystery Matter Spider-Man, let me know. So first, let's put these to the side. That was Black Panther. Alright. Yes, I like Transformers. Alright. This one, it's called Nitro. I've been looking for this one for a very, very long time. I really like this one. Oh, wow. Alright. This one has Sting, Gravedigger, overrated, dun 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 dun. Alright, Goldberg, and then Nitro himself. And then, alright, let's see the truck. As you can see, they got way bigger by time. I think this is like, this is 2000. A 2000 truck. Wow. So as you can see, yellow roll cage, chrome, no wait, or it might be the other way around. Chrome chassis and yellow roll cage, or yellow chassis and chrome roll cage, I don't know. Gray rims, flames, lights, more flames, WWYC, wait, www.wcw.com. Don't know what that is. I think that's his logo. So yeah, that's it for Nitro. Alright, let's put him right there. Up next, Night Storm. I've been looking for this one for a very, very long time. I don't know, I just really liked him. So this set, he's in this set. Gravedigger, Blue Thunder, Mohawk, Dragon, Monster Mutt, Tempest Beat, sorry if I said that wrong, Fastro Van, and Earthshaker. So yeah, let's get opening this. I'm recording with my other hand, so it's gonna be a little bit of a struggle. If you see my other videos, you know I've opened some with one hand and I've been successful. But I haven't done that in a very long time. I'm gonna use my teeth. If you ever come to this, alright, yeah, I had to. Just poke a hole in it. Just do that. Oh my god, this one's heavy. Alright. This is different. Wow. Alright. This is Night Storm. So you can see the teeth, the nose, more teeth. This reminds me of Monster Mutt because of the teeth. I don't know why, but it just does. Ooh. Alright. You can see Monster Jam Nightstorm logo. Hold up, I'm sorry. Nightstorm logo. Monster Jam logo. Again, same thing over here. The ears, the tail, the driver in there. You can't really tell. Yeah, there it is. Purple, or should I say violet? I think violet. Okay, is that purple or is that violet? Or is that purple or is that violet? You guys tell me in the comments below which one's which. And so, alright, like again, it's either black chassis or black roll cage, and violet or purple chassis, or violet or purple roll cage. So yeah, this is Nightstorms. Put them over there. And now for the 2-pack, I got this one for like